Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Left.
Yo, no. Yo.
1 point for Team Ali. 1 point for Team Ali.
Bring
Ready?
it let's left.
Right. 2 points.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Chatting for chattings. Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the righteous, sir.
And you done to see the king, no?
Yes, guys, and from you see by the title, you know what we are going to do today?
You see that? Trouble.
The buckle challenge. But we don't have no buckle. We have a shaker and it have to go work, right? So yes, guys, tap do that now. Sure.
Like the video, guys. This I got epic.
Guys, this is our epic King&Ally. So guys, we were scrolling through YouTube. I will see this video going around, right?
I will say the Robbins family are the first family in Jamaica to do it. So we are going to do it now.
Yes, so shout out to the Robbins family for that. Yes, guys, and I saw when you see things over here and want to use it, you can give me a shout out to.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself, King&Ally, for the top. Say big up on yourself, King&Ally, because you understand?
Alright, so we're
going to rock, paper, scissors to see who will go first. You don't know all of the team Ali in the comment section. Spam upon yourself or tell us we are coming with the challenges, the prank, all of that. Stop no. Churro, we not even start. Good yet anymore do all of that.
So guys, we're going to go in and rock,
Team
paper,
Ali,
scissors.
give me some thumbs up. We are champs. Ready?
So
rock, paper, scissors. We don't care about that. Rock, paper, camera. So why you not talk? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah. Sure. In thief.
Yeah, ready. Just dead.
And the two of we and guys, we have a blindfold. So this is a blindfold challenge.
Yo, put on your mask and start.
Ready? And keep us scoring in the comment section, Team Ali, cause Team King&Ally. You notice them have something on him head and me not have nothing on my head and him knows me have constant headache.
I remember you have to tell you left or right. You can't
I'm not telling you nothing now.
Alright?
Take that off of your head too, cause you're a thief.
Ready?
Ready? Guys, I don't like darkness, you know, but we have to do this. Ready?
Come. Is it a right or left?
I don't want to cover my nose, you know.
Cover everywhere.
I don't want to cover my nose. We're smelling enough to do it, seeing. Ready,
Pull up
guys?
your mask. Yeah.
Alright, I have it. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Left.
Yo, no. Yo.
1 point for Team Ali. 1 point for Team Ali.
Bring
Ready?
it let's left.
Right. 2 points.
Yo, you're a thief. You're a thief.
Wait, no, I have it. Ready? 2 points that Team Ali. Keep us scoring in the comment section down below. Right. You have it? Talk when you have it, the man.
I have it.
You're not talking, you're a thief. Ready, I have it.
Ready?
Wait. Take off your mask. You're a thief. Guys, this is a thief.
Yo, are you a thief? Oh, your mask off. You're a thief.
I said take off your mask.
Yo, put on back your mask. You're a thief. Pull up back your mask. You're a thief.
Are you a thief? Want to see that?
Pull up back your mask.
And me the two and you the none.
Alright, come, ready.
Wait, I'm going to put on my mask then.
Yo, see
and
alright.
you can't bend down so you're a thief.
Alright, but...
Ready, man, ready.
Ready. Right.
Yeah. Wait, you have it?
No?
Stop telling lie now.
I have it.
I'm not trusting me, I feel like you not take off the mask. Alright, ready.
I have it. Left.
Yeah.
I have it.
Oh yeah, I have it so fast. Guys, watch out now. I'm going to replay the part here for me to see how King thief and watch how I'm fixing marks for see. Just look on him good. I'm going to put all the arrow there for to see him. Just watch him good.
I have it.
I'm not trusting me, I feel like you not take off the mask. Alright, ready.
I have it. Left.
Yeah.
I have it.
Oh yeah, I have it so fast.
Can you come back to me?
Oh yeah. You're a thief. You're a thief.
You're a thief, come on. Yo, I'm not gonna work with you, Virgin.
You're a thief.
Stop taking off the mask, Virgin.
Why your mask them so I look?
Yo.
Guys, you not see him?
Yo,
You're a
ready.
thief.
Pull up your mask. Pull up your
Oh,
mask.
my mask. You ready?
You have it?
Yeah.
Where you go?
Right. Come.
Now go right. Oh shit. Oh shit.
1, 2, 5, 3 5 that for me. Come now.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, teeth.
Yeah,
look, yeah.
You see how bend down?
No.
Yeah, teeth.
So me a bend down here, but yeah, teeth. And you a look.
Yo, my girl, stop bending.
Yeah,
no,
look.
I'm not saying give you. You have to hold up your head and when I say right, your sight and I fling the buckle. Your teeth.
But yeah, teeth.
Yo, come, Virgin, come. Stop the
Guys,
foolishness, Virgin.
we're gonna watch back the clip and see who a thief come. I know
Virgin, put
him.
on the mask and Virgin and stop the foolishness.
Yeah, thief.
Stop the foolishness, my girl. Your
Ready,
teeth.
ready.
Yo,
Yeah.
pull down the mask over your nose.
Me
You
no
have to
want-
sit through that.
Oh, my fear
Yo, pull
see.
it. Yo, you can't breathe. Don't go like you want to ramp with me. Pull down the mask, man.
Me nasty.
Me don't want to eat yo, Virgin. You breathe through the mask so you can't put there.
Me can't
Yo,
see.
I'm going to get up in a Virgin.
But me can't see.
Now
Me
go get
can't
up.
breathe.
Pull down the mask but you can't see, you can't breathe. That have nothing to do with you breathing.
But me can't.
Me cover
me
the whole of
can't
my
see.
face.
Me never tell
Virgin.
you to do that. Alright,
Virgin.
cover. Put it so.
No,
You see?
no.
You see?
Yeah, me can't sit through
You
this.
lie. You cannot see. In a matter, me no want my nose cover. The eye fully cover. Yeah, you a thief. Ready? You're not talking enough.
You have it.
Have it?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Left.
Yeah.
Me have it again.
Alright.
Left.
So why you don't want to give me no chance for have it? Ready?
You have it?
Yeah. No. You lick me in the head with it because you know.
Oh, I never know.
Yeah, say.
One that. One me there.
One. I mean the three. Ready?
Yeah, I ready. You're a thief. You're not tell me when you have it.
Me say ready.
But if you tell me when you have it, left or
You
right.
have it, have it?
Yeah, I have it.
Alright, ready?
Straight ahead. You have it?
No. Wait, no, mind you pop down the something.
I have it.
Thief, ready?
I have it.
Ready? Ready now?
Right. I have it.
Alright, ready.
Left. I have it.
Give me a chance to have it too now. Give me.
Alright, thank you. So what if you head now?
See my hand here. Now give me
I'm
like
going to see your hand. Where your hand? The straight ahead?
yeah.
Alright.
See you lick my hand. That not because I give you. Give me. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Oh shit. You're a thief.
Me know.
Ali,
for
you're a
that.
thief. Ali, straight ahead there.
The something I go swing back. Ready?
Alrighty. Yeah, straight ahead.
Ready? Wait now.
Me have it.
You have it?
Yeah, man, me have it.
Ready? You ready?
Yeah, man.
Come.
Straight ahead.
Yeah. 4, 5, 5.
You see now?
My ear when it lick. What? Take off them out. When the song is still, you can't hear when it a lick.
Alright, girl.
But we are going to watch by the clip because they might keep the score in the comment
I'm going to see
section.
what thief.
Alright then.
Put up your mask.
Guys, you see how King Thief, you see how all along him a peep down and a jar down him mask. I don't know if you not see no, but him a peep down and a jar down him mask. But just look how him a thief and look how the summer slap him in the head. So all of the team, all of them, for keep the score in the comment section because Team King a thief. Take off the mask. When the song is still, you can't hear when it a lick.
Alright, girl.
But we are going to watch by the clip because they might keep the score in the comment
I'm going to see
section.
what thief.
Alright then.
Put up your mask.
You know, I'm not trust you. But feel like say, make us see. Jog up this so we can see if you see.
Yeah, man. Take it.
Wait, mama put on so. Because I just feel like you're a thief. Ready?
Ready?
Wait. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Straight ahead.
Alright. Alright, I have it. Let it go.
I have it before me have the right part.
What are you always have it? Give me one chance now. Ready?
Yeah.
Side. That lick you now?
Yeah, idiot, man.
That lick you?
Yeah, idiot.
Alright, come.
I have it.
Alright, ready? Ready?
Straight.
Alright, yeah.
Yo, it sound like you bend down already. We can't hear
Me
where
no
your voice
bend
come
down, me no
from.
bend down.
Yo, stand up straight. Your
Me
teeth.
stand up. Me
Your
sit down
teeth.
what me mean.
Alright, come.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Slant.
Yeah. You lick me. One in my head. Give me it now.
I don't have it. Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
little which kid?
See it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Yeah.
You bend down already, you know, you bend
That's
down
a teeth.
already.
But that's a straight ahead. I'm on the side.
But me not start yet.
Alright, tell me when you're ready.
Move your hand, put on your hand.
Yeah. Your
Yeah,
teeth.
you are teeth.
Alia, hear me I say, we need to end this game now, you know.
No.
The two teeth,
no.
Virgin.
No. You just look while I said to me, say, Ali, you can't something there.
Alright, come.
Put on my something. You see?
Yeah.
You see me?
No.
Alright, ready. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Your
Lick
teeth.
you, that lick you.
Ali, your teeth.
But me
Ali,
not see.
that's the first thing first. The car that too short. Your teeth.
Yeah, me not make have a cane rougher.
Because when you bend down, you go over your head. When you, yo, watch out. Watch this.
Bend
Boom.
down.
Straight to
No.
my face. Watch out. Sit down with it. Watch out. Your
No.
teeth.
I saw you
Virgin.
bend down. When me say
No.
bend down, see ya? See ya?
Yeah, stop playing with it, you know. Yo, people.
And
you know,
peer this. When him say bend down, see me? Peer this. Ready. I'm ready. Put up your something. Me I lead you. Keep a score in the comment.
Put up your mask, no, man.
So-
Teeth.
So why
Put up your mask, no.
Ready.
Put up your
Not
mask.
just
Your
say watch you
teeth.
when watch my video. Yeah.
Your teeth.
Ready.
You can go around me. Put on your
Put
mask.
on your.
Alia, stop from putting on Alia.
Alright,
Every
alright.
time, I want to hear my
Alright,
girl.
we'll put up my avatar. You have a yarn? Yeah, see, I don't have a yarn. That don't get.
Come, ready.
Them disqualify for that one.
Disqualify off. I'm going to have my mask. I want to start swinging off and I'm put up a little. Ready.
Teeth.
Ready.
Ready, I'm ready.
Straight ahead.
Yes.
Yo, my girl, you bend before you.
No, no, your teeth.
You are thief, I bet.
Give me. Then why I want out there? I'm good. Yeah, man. Your teeth. God no like teeth. Give me it now.
Oh,
Leave me now my teeth.
oh,
Oh, go on, man. Your teeth, you know.
yeah, Osh, I never want to lick in your teeth, but your teeth are too long
My
now.
not
You
teeth.
can't take no more of your teeth in, Bertie.
Yeah, but
Come,
why you?
come.
Why are you always getting something and not me?
Come here, stretch feet before you. Come, sir. And come, sir.
Mind your pop it down.
And
Wait
come,
now,
sir.
wait now. Wait, stop.
You see me?
And we have the two more alone.
Last
cause
two
your
rounds.
teeth.
Last 2 rounds.
Ready?
I have it.
Alright.
Yo,
Yeah. But sit down straight, see me at you, my big mouth.
Alright. Talk to me while you sit down there. So when I say ready, if you say yeah.
Ready,
So
alright,
you
ready.
why your voice there?
You ready?
You can't chip in no more.
Come, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, ready.
Yo, Ali.
Me not even move, see me
Talk
here.
to me when you move. So I
See
know
me
where you are.
here. See me here.
Yeah, alright, come now, I'm ready. Straight.
Yes, straight. One that, you get one.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you never tell me what you're doing, guys. Yo.
No,
Yeah,
my
Abby.
Yeah, all the right part. Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
over yourself? Where are you over yourself?
I'm ready.
You in front of me?
Yeah.
Ready? Where there?
Yeah.
Where there? Yeah, ready? You ready again?
Yeah.
Bust up your head. Swing around. Boop.
Yeah,
You hear
time.
that?
Come. No, I'm have it. I'm fool.
No.
We catch it.
Look up in your head.
We catch it.
Ready.
Are you there?
Me there.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all like
That's
you
all.
move from side to side.
No, yes, I'm there.
No, that's all like you straight.
Me there one place. Yeah, my boss. You hear me?
Yeah, man, yeah, yeah.
Alright. Me feel like you see the let it go. Ready?
Yeah.
Boop. Cook.
You ready?
Hear that? Ready? Yes, nobody can tell me.
You ready?
Yeah.
Where
Yes. Yeah.
Yo, guys.
Team.
Yo. I just
Done.
nice nowhere else. You see right now? She just lose. You're too
Pia
thief.
kong ya kong mi.
Yeah, you're a thief. You think me would catch up on you? And then much lick you give me the camera talk to. Yo?
Hey, a pia kong kima kong mi
You're
ana
too thief.
sino.
You're too thief, man.
Ready?
Oh, if you're ready without mask.
Ready? Yeah, keep. But say I get a swing it comes so right around the world and it just lick up in your head back so cool. When I raise up your head it comes so cool. Cool. Guys, drop it in the comment section who want Team King or Team Ali. You don't know Team
guys,
Ali are the best team.
This was a good one.
Stop now. Me conk. Chow. Stop.
Stop.
Oh yes guys, and we're gonna nominate a few persons. Stop no man. We're gonna nominate 3 persons to do this challenge.
Yeah.
Feel
Alicia Royalty are the first one.
Royalty are the first one. Chunante and Roseanne Life and Style. Ready now, remember. Alicia's Royalty, Chun and Tay. Stop no. Alicia's Royalty, Chun and Tay and Roseanne Life and Style. You feel to give them bonus 2, 5 of them?
Yo, guys, like the video.
Yeah, alright. I'll give
Share
them
out
5.
the video.
5?
You want to give them 2 more?
Alright, ready. Who else?
You don't know.
Alright then. Vibe with Vibe with Nashe and give me one more.
No time on team and time, man.
Alright, so we have Chun and Tay, Alicia's Royalty, Roseanne Life and Style,
Team
Vibe
and
with
Tay.
Nashe and Tim and Ty.
Team and tie, yeah.
Yes, so nominate the 5 of uno.
So I
and
look for someone to do the
we want to
challenge.
see you do that challenge here, and please guys, when you do that challenge, when you guys do the challenge, tag us and let us know, okay?
Like and share the video,
and
guys.
keep it going by nominating persons in the end. So you don't know, so Team Ali become I know I'm a win. And when we watch back that video here, you're gonna see how King, Atif, and Coco me farid. Big man. So guess what guys, remember the thought for today is have a little fun, a little laughter in whatever you do, and remember, put God first and just leave all your troubles, your burdens to Him. And remember people, not only in your bad times you have to remember God, remember Him in your good and your bad times.
Yeah guys, and I know the chefs, you know. What some man where you par with some girl where your wife fuck my friend give me a knife cut, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.
Little more. We're out.